Hey everybody, this is Mel Craig with the Dent King and the Detailing Pros, and today I'm reaching out to all the U.S. veterans across America to explain to them the opportunity in car care. Yes, there's absolutely an amazing career in car care, and it's been great to me for the past 47 years. I have people from all over the world calling me and asking me that same question. Mel, is there really a car care opportunity and a career opportunity in the auto detailing business? My answer is always yes, by all means. The Veterans Administration has now jumped on board offering an amazing program. Do your research, get involved. Be sure to call us here at Dent King. We're here to help, we're here to advise, and we're here to point you in the right direction, letting you know the opportunity in car care exists, it's healthy, and it's something spectacular. This is Mel with the Dent King. I'm out.